According to Grandview Research, the global AI market is expected to reach over 1.8 trillion by 2030, growing at a CAGR of more than 37%. And with that, we can say AI is taking over the world, and it is the right time to start learning it. But the question is, where to start and what course to choose? What if I tell you that there are plenty of certification courses on AI today, designed for individuals with even zero tech experience, and you can now learn AI at your own pace. Learning AI can change your life if you start today. And the good part, many of these certification courses are available for free. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top AI courses. These certifications will allow you to build your career in AI from scratch. Whether you are a beginner who wants to get into tech or a professional in using the AI tool, these certifications will upgrade your skill. So what is AI? In simple words, AI is a branch of computer science where machines are designed to think, learn and make decisions like humans. It is not magic, it's math, it's data and lots of training. AI jobs are booming in the corporate arena. But with so many courses out there, how you can pick the right one? Certification from a trusted platform can give you the edge in job interviews, build your portfolio and prove that you know your stuff. Now let us get into the main topic. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by Simply Learn. This is the #1 AI course available in the market. This is 2-hour long self-paced course that will teach you about the basics of AI. It covers the fundamental of machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing. It is going to give you both the theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge. If you are someone who wants to start career in AI, then this course can be ideal choice for you. It will make you job ready in just 2 hours by teaching you the important concept of AI. You will also get a certificate of completion to add in your resume. AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. It's available on Coursera. This is the most known course offered by Coursera and taught by Andrew. It is a beginner-friendly and self-paced course. The skill you are going to learn with this course are machine learning, team building, deep learning, data science, data ethics, market opportunity. There are 4 assignments that will help you to test your skill. After the completion of the course, you'll also get shareable certificate. Deep Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng, and it's available on Coursera. This course comes under the advanced level. If you are familiar with AI concepts, then this course can be your next step. Skills you are going to learn by this course are TensorFlow, Artificial Intelligence, Applied Machine Learning, algorithms, keras, computer vision and debugging. You get a shareable certificate after completion of this course. CS50's Introduction to AI with Python, available on edX. If you really want to make a career in AI, then this course is the best ideal choice for you. By enrolling in this course, you can learn the modern usage of AI and machine learning and its algorithm with the top instructor of AI. Now you can gain hands-on experience in AI. This course is 7 weeks long and it will take at least 10 to 30 hours per week. But remember one thing, if you are a beginner, then this course is not for you. You need to learn the basic first to enroll in this course to get the most of it. Topics that are covered in this course are data algorithm, computer science, Python, neural network, programming, deep learning. Google AI Essential Specialization by Google. This is an amazing course offered by Google on Coursera. It is a beginner-friendly course and will teach you the basics of AI. You can learn to use generative AI. The skills that are covered in this course are prompt writing, large language model, risk management framework, generative AI, diversity awareness, data ethics. By this course, you get certified by Google and learn from the industry experts. Choosing the right course for you. So the question is, which one you should choose? If you are a developer, go with the deep learning specialization. If you are a beginner, start with AI for Everyone and Google Essential. For a broad but a deep dive, Harvard course is perfect. With the ever evolving technology, one should always be a learner. Remember, AI is about doing, not just learning. So pick a course that offer project, build a portfolio, share it online. That's how you get noticed. Which course are you thinking of taking? Drop it in the comments below. If you're still confused, then you can directly talk to us by messaging us on the WhatsApp, by using the link that is in the description box. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss future tech insights.